Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you a new update that was made for Echo RSS feed importer, Newsomatic, and many more plugins that support these features. So these plugins will be able to get royalty-free images for posts from Unsplash. So they were able to do so from Morguefile, from Paxels, from Flickr, from Pixabay, but now they are also able to use Unsplash to get these featured images, these royalty-free featured images, which can replace the original featured images for posts that are imported using these plugins. So how to enable this feature is simply by checking this checkbox from these plugins main settings. So enable Unsplash API usage. So we check this, go down, save settings, and now we can go to RSS to post rules. We can get some importing feeds, for example, TechCrunch, and let's get for free posts. And don't forget that to enable the royalty-free image feature, you have to check this checkbox also in the importing feed settings. So you have to go to this settings field and check this. After you have checked this, save settings, and now we can go to our blog to see it is empty. And now we can go ahead and import free example posts which will show the functionality of this. So these free posts should have free royalty-free featured images assigned to them. So let's refresh our site, and here they are. India featured image is shown, and GitLab, and this featured image is shown, and Notion drop usage limits on this, and this featured image is shown. So let us click on this, and as you will see that this featured image is added. But if we search Google for this article and check this featured image should have come up for it, but instead the plugin generated this image for the post because it has the India keyword in it. So yeah, this is all for this update. I hope you will enjoy images also that are royalty free from Unsplash. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit also the bell notification because I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So yeah, this is all for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.